Hello everyone, welcome back. Have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached to the top of your hair and twist the middle section of the hair and drop it into the second clip and the right one into the first clip, the left one into the third clip. Then after that, tie a rubber band at the tip of their hair, then have a very large hairpin and pin it to the bottom. Tie your hair in the middle and drop it in the loop we created. Then with the remaining hair, split them into two and have a rubber band attached, making a ponytail. Do it on the other side as well. Now you have to drop the right one into the left by using a hair loop. Do the same for the left one as well. Then combine them both at the bottom with the rubber band and stuff it inside the bun we just now created. Then have a very large hairpin. Insert your finger on the left of your ponytail and drop your entire tail into it, making it come down on the opposite side. And have a rubber band tied attached in the bottom middle part and bend the tip over and have it stuffed in the middle, making a bun, and make the bun go to the top and secure it with a lovely hairpin of your choice. Twist the top middle section of the hair and have it secured with a 3-in-1 hair clutcher. Then do the same as we did before. The middle one into the second one and the right one into the first one and the left one into the third one. Comb the remaining hair a bit, have a rubber band attached to the top middle part and have a very large hairpin to make it go down even more further. Go for a ponytail and with the last clip of the rubber band, have a lump and split the remaining tail into two and make it go to the top and attach a rubber band and twist it, forming a loop, and bring the loop around the bun we just now made and extend the bun for some volume. Insert a hair loop behind your ponytail and have the tail go inwards and make it completely come down. Then tighten it a little bit, have a rubber band attached in the middle part and stuff the tip inside it, making a bun, and move the bun to the top and attach your favorite hair clutcher of your choice. Grab your bunch on top and have a rubber band attached in the top part, making it as a lump. Bring the tail back and have a rubber band attached in the top middle part, then have the tips bend over and have it even more stuffed inside by having a very large hairpin of your choice. You can go with whatever you want. Make a twister band in the middle and out of remaining hair have a ponytail, and the bottom part have another rubber band and make the twist go over and have it stuffed in the middle part we created. Then make it into a bun and move the bun to the top and secure a hole with a lovely hair clip of your choice. Make a bunch out of your beautiful hair and with the last clip of the rubber band have a lump, and with the remaining ponytail have another rubber band in the top middle part and bend it over and stuff it inside the bun we just now created, and have a very large pretty hairpin of your choice. Make your bunch go inwards in one cycle and have it bring back and have a rubber band attached to the bottom middle part and bend it down and have a very large hairpin, the pretty hairpin of course, and bend it over and have it attached to it. Move down the rubber band a little bit on your ponytail and create a ridge with your finger and drop the entire tail into it and comb your hair a little bit and have a braid and roll the braid into the hair and hide it by extending the hair. Then secure the hole in place by having a little hairpin, and of course for covering the ridge you have your beautiful hairpin of your choice. Hold your bunch on top and have a very pretty hair clutcher attached to the bottom and have a rubber band attached to the top middle part of the tail and bend it over and push it even more down by having a pin by pushing it downwards and extend the bun. Take a very lovely hair clutcher and have your ponytail twisted on one of its two and make a bun. Then make it attached to the right side by stuffing it and closing the hair clutcher, completing it. Hold your gorgeous hair from behind and twist it using your index finger and make a hair roll and hold it in place by having a very large hair clutcher. Thank you guys for watching this video.